Whenever you eat, the calories and nutrients you consume fuel your brain, repair damaged muscle tissue, and provide energy to all your cells and organs. However, once your basic energy needs are met, all the excess calories are converted to fat stored throughout the body, especially around the stomach, love handles, and hips. This video will explore the 10 most fattening foods to avoid losing belly fat faster and achieve your desired flat stomach. This video is for educational purposes only, so speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Let's start our countdown with number 1, sugary beverages. Sugary beverages are a significant adversary in the battle against belly fat. These drinks, including sodas, sweetened teas, and fruit-flavored drinks, are laden with empty calories that can lead to significant weight gain, particularly in the abdominal area. The high sugar content in these beverages causes a rapid increase in blood sugar levels, which, if not appropriately managed, can accumulate fat around the waistline. Instead of succumbing to the allure of these sweet drinks, consider healthier alternatives that can quench your thirst without contributing to belly fat. Water is the most straightforward choice, offering hydration without added sugars or calories. Herbal teas provide a flavorful option without the need for sweeteners, and they come with the added benefit of antioxidants. Number 2, potato chips and snack foods. Potato chips and other processed snack foods are a common pitfall for many attempting to reduce their belly fat. These items are not only high in calories, but also often contain unhealthy trans fats and excessive amounts of sodium, which can contribute to water retention and the appearance of a more pronounced belly. The convenience and addictive taste of such snacks make them easy to overconsume, leading to an increased intake of empty calories that offer little to no nutritional value. However, there are numerous healthier alternatives available for those snack cravings. Raw nuts or seeds can provide a satisfying crunch, beneficial nutrients, and healthy fats that can aid in weight loss. Similarly, vegetable sticks such as carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers offer a nutrient-dense snack that can fill you up without adding to your waistline. The third food is white bread and pastries. White bread and pastries, crafted from refined flour, lack the beneficial nutrients and fiber found in their whole grain counterparts. This deficiency diminishes their nutritional value and contributes to rapid blood sugar spikes. Such spikes are linked to increased hunger and cravings, making it harder to control your diet and leading to an accumulation of belly fat over time. Switching to options rich in fiber and nutrients is crucial for maintaining steady energy levels and supporting weight loss. Opt for whole grains such as brown rice, barley, or whole wheat bread, which provide a more sustained energy source and help keep you fuller. Number 4, processed meat. Processed meats such as bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and deli slices are convenient for quick meals or snacks. However, their high saturated fat and sodium content could be better for people trying to reduce belly fat. The consumption of these foods has been associated with not just an increase in waist circumference, but also heightened inflammation and an elevated risk of chronic diseases. These negative health impacts stem from the preservatives and additives used in processing meats, which can contribute to the accumulation of visceral fat, the harmful type of fat stored around your organs. Opting for leaner sources of protein can be a beneficial swap. Number 5, ice cream. Unfortunately, ice cream, a beloved treat by many, plays a significant role in the accumulation of belly fat. This dessert's high sugar and saturated fat content, coupled with its calorie density, positions it as an essential obstacle for those aiming to maintain a trim waistline. The consumption of ice cream not only contributes to the immediate intake of excess calories, but can also incite a cycle of cravings for more sugary foods, further complicating efforts to lose belly fat. For a healthier alternative that quenches the desire for something sweet, consider opting for frozen yogurt topped with nuts and fruit, or blending a homemade smoothie with a base of low-fat milk or almond milk and plenty of fresh fruits. These options provide the creamy texture and sweetness sought in ice cream without the high sugar and fat content contributing to belly fat. Number 6, alcoholic beverages. Alcoholic beverages are a significant contributor to belly fat due to their high caloric and sugar content. The body metabolizes alcohol in a way that prioritizes its breakdown over other nutrients, leading to fat storage, especially around the midsection. Additionally, alcohol consumption can increase appetite and reduce the body's ability to burn fat, compounding the problem. Drinks like beer, wine, and sugary cocktails are exceptionally high in empty calories and offer little nutritional value but significant belly fat gain potential. For individuals looking to shed excess belly fat, moderating alcohol intake is crucial. Opting for lighter options, such as spirits mixed with soda water or light beers, can help reduce calorie consumption. Mindfulness about the quantity and type of alcoholic beverages consumed can play a pivotal role in managing and reducing belly fat effectively. Number 7. Refined pasta. Refined pasta, like its white bread cousin, is a processed food that wreaks havoc on efforts to slim down the waistline. The issue with refined pasta is its rapid digestion due to the lack of fiber, leading to immediate blood sugar spikes. This spike prompts the body to store excess sugar as fat, particularly around the midsection. Unlike whole grain options, refined pasta offers little satiety, which can lead to overeating, a direct path to increased belly fat. The simplicity of its carbohydrates means that it provides a quick energy burst followed by a crash, which can induce cravings for more carb-heavy foods. Switching to whole grain pasta introduces more fiber into your diet, slowing digestion, stabilizing blood sugar levels, and helping to prevent the accumulation of belly fat. Incorporating whole grains is a straightforward adjustment that supports weight loss and overall health by providing essential nutrients that refined pasta lacks. Lastly, high-fat dairy products. High-fat dairy products are often loaded with saturated fats, known contributors to belly fat. Consuming large amounts of these fats can disrupt the balance of your diet, leading to an increased risk of weight gain and fat accumulation in the abdominal area. The caloric density of foods like cheese, whole milk, and regular ice cream means that even small servings can significantly increase daily calorie intake. Furthermore, saturated fats in these dairy products can influence metabolic functions, potentially slowing down the fat-burning process. To mitigate these effects, opting for dairy alternatives with a lower fat content is advisable. Incorporating skim milk, low-fat yogurt, and reduced-fat cheeses into your diet can provide the same calcium and protein benefits without the added risk of contributing to belly fat. This strategic choice helps manage overall caloric intake while enjoying dairy's taste and nutritional benefits. In conclusion, avoiding these 10 most fattening foods can significantly enhance your journey to losing belly fat faster. By cutting out sugary drinks, processed snacks, fried foods, and other high-calorie items from your diet, you'll reduce your overall calorie intake and promote better nutritional habits. Remember, consistency is critical. Pairing these dietary changes with regular physical activity and staying hydrated will help you achieve your weight loss goals more effectively. Stay committed, make healthier choices, and watch your belly fat disappear. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to join our family. Your support inspires us to keep going.